It's your girl, Dope Deja 101, back again with another banger. Alright, you guys, so excuse me if I look a little blurry and the lighting ain't my best. But today, we're gonna do a little video of your girl cooking her famous Alfredo. Alright, so I'm gonna gather all these ingredients and I'm gonna get back with you. This game of cooking, I always got to wash your dishes off, make sure the dish is clean. And you put it over here with your knife. Alright, we got a knife, your seasonings. That's all the seasonings I'm going to use right now. I'm going to cut up my chicken. Clean it off real nice. And I'll get back with you. Peace.
3, 2, 1.
So we're cutting up your chicken, your tenders, and we're slicing and dicing into fine thin pieces like this. Fine thin pieces. Just make sure you don't cut yourself. And I'm about to dump this plate so I can continue to cut up the meat. So the meat is seasoned, right? And I added my own little herbs. We got cilantro and basil, a little small mini basil leaf. And off camera, I even turned on the pot so it can get warm, so my noodles can start boiling. So we'll be back. Looking good. Got my noodles boiling and got the chicken over here boiling, simmering down. Look at that blend. And this is our sauce we're gonna use for today. Ragu, classic Alfredo, made with real cheese. And you can buy this at your local Walmart. That's where I located it, at my local Walmart. So go check it out. Ragu. Noodles are just about done. Look at them. You don't want them too mushy. You want them just right, because they have to cook also with the sauce. Once your meat is done, you just got to make sure it's right. Yes, baby. Yummy. Mwah. Delicioso. Next, I'm about to scrain them noodles for ya, cause it's about that time. Yes, sir. It's about that time to scrain some noodles. So be right back. So we have dumped the sauce in the pan, warming up the sauce. We're gonna add your stick of butter in the sauce. Let that simmer. And get the rest of this sauce out. Shake it up and get it out, because you want to use every single thing. Yes, sir. And I also screened the noodles too. Yes, sir. I'll be right back, y'all. Alright, we done strained the noodles. Now I'm gonna pour this extra sauce into it. Make sure you get all of it. All of it. All of it. Alright. See nothing else? Now partner, stir that up for me. Yes, sir. Stir, stir, stir. Now let that simmer for a little bit. And I'll be right back. Alright, you see that going on? It's bubbling, right? It's cooking. Now, we're gonna add some of this right now and some after. When you add it right now, your Parmesan cheese powder. When you add it right now before you add your noodles, the cheese gets into the noodles. That's a tip. Yes, sir. Take it in. Yes, sir. So we're gonna put not too much, but a little dash. You know, a little dash. All right. Smells delicious. Yes, hunty. Yes. We're gonna serve this drink up. Yes, baby. Yes, stir it up real nice. Make sure all that sauce penetrates in them noodles, honey. And we got the chicken going on over here. Now we're gonna strain this good old boil chicken in the pot. We're gonna strain all them juices. All right. Once we strain that in, we're gonna bring this over here to get our noodles strained. Look at that juicy meat, tender juicy meat. We're gonna do it real quick, like that, like so. Chicken in there, and it's simmering on down, and we're gonna put some more Parmesan cheese in it. And now we're gonna go ahead and get our garlic bread and get that put on. We're gonna preheat. Put the garlic bread. Yes, delicious. Alright, we have your Texas toast. Great value. We got your Walmart brand again. 8 slices. Enough for I and my husband. And we're going to just put them on a baking sheet pan like this. Alright, it's time to take that garlic bread out. Nice and pretty and brown. Not burnt at all. I'm pretty sure it's crisp. Let's turn this eye off. You feel me? And that's the Alfredo. It's time to fix these wonderful plates. Look at that good garlic bread. Put a little bit more. Look at that. Just marvelous.